Hello everyone, this is Mingo presenting the Wind Tunnel project. So this is our model aircraft data. It has 1575 length, wingspan 862, and outer diameter 875, and approximate ratio is 1. Constant speed 7033 miles per hour. Here's a chart that shows the correlation between the coefficient lift and angle of attack. Coefficient lift is used to describe how effective the airfoil section is at converting dynamic pressure to lift. The factor that could affect the coefficient lift is angle of attack. For every angle of attack, there is a specific lift coefficient that is produced, but there is a limit to it, which is known as the maximum coefficient of lift. And if the angle of attack increases beyond this, the lift coefficient will begin to decrease. But here, this one hasn't still reached its limits yet. And here we have the coefficient drag versus angle of attack. And then there's a graph to it, which can help us to see it more clear. And here we can see when the angle of attack is around 0, that's when the coefficient drag is the lowest, but the coefficient drag is higher on both sides. Here, with the angle of attack is -15, since there is no lift produced, this should be parasite drag here, and as the angle of attack increases, there's lift getting produced, and so does the induced drag.